sorry for the delay. I've been doing work and all that. I've been at school and all that. So, yeah. I'm sorry about that. But now I'm back. And you already told by the title, we're doing Pokemon unboxing. I got 4 packs here. Let's see what we can get, because you know what? I had nothing else to do for a video. Don't ask. Alright, first one. That, and that. Before these used to come with 10 cards, now they only come with 3. Stupid. And I don't even have a QR code. Next card. Next pack. And I got another Porygon too. Okay. Alright, let's hope the champ and Marshadow better luck. Okay, let's see if Lunala is a good pack or last. Sorry, this is gonna be a short video, but I will come up with more soon in the future. Please be good. Please be good. Okay, Sandile. Piggy pack, come on. Trumbeak. Yeah, these aren't the best cards I got, but you know what? Oh well, it's alright. These used to come with 10 packs, now they're like 3. What you get? Get almost a full evolution though. It's actually pretty nice though. Alrighty then. Alright. So I've gotten 2 Porygon Z2. Pretty much not the best cards I get. But what do you expect from a 3-pack? You got pretty much the smallest chances. Well, oh well. Well, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family. I know I said friends wrong. Friends, not friends, all that. Hope you guys like this video. I kind of did. And soon, I'll be coming up with new videos soon up in the future. Hope you guys like them. Bye! Mario LOL here, and I know in the beginning of this video I said I was going to do only those 4 packs, but I had an idea which the video was short, so I thought I'd make it a bit longer. So there's going to be a few more parts of this video, maybe another few clips of this, me unboxing cards. So today's part is going to be me unboxing these 2 10 packs. And in the beginning, because the first part, I bought dollar store ones, which had 3. Now, I got 2 10 card packs, which is actually better. More chances, more cards. So, we're going to unbox these 2. This clip might be short, but you know, I'm going to try and extend it even more and more. Alright, first one, let's do Eevee and Snorlax. There we go. Okay. We got Litten, Zorua, Weedle, Joltik, Blitzel, Hollow Tapu Koko, oh my gosh! No way! And I'm not even through yet. Who cares about these cards? This is strange. We got Charmeleon right here. We got Venusaur and Celebi GX Tag Team from a 10-pack, and this is the first part. This is the first pack. So we've gotten Tapu Koko. Oh my gosh. My gosh. And we got Ingo and Emmett. Nice Unova combo. Charmeleon and Morgan. Okay, and this was just one pack. We still have Pikachu and Zekrom. I'm gonna just okay. Let's see. We may be lucky. Who knows? Paris, Bullby, Pidgey, Honedge, ooh, nice. Nidoran, a Hollow Pidgeotto, Executor, Fighting Energy, Flaffy, Jinx, and Kangaskhan. You know what? For what I've got, Eevee and Snorlax are friggin' powerful. My gosh. Alright, so if you want, you can do another run through. Just because, you know what, now I'm thinking this. Okay, they're gonna be a little mixed up since yeah. Okay. Just so if you want to look at these cards, I'll do a quick run through. Pidgey, Litten, Zorua, Weedle, Joltik, Blitzel, Dark Energy, Ingo and Emmett, Charmeleon, Morgan, Paris, Volby, Pidgeotto, Nidoran, sorry, there's an accent, Executor, yeah, Fighting Energy, Honedge, Daffy, Jinx, Kangaskhan. You want to scan? There's the code. Tapu Koko, Celebi, and Venusaur GX. And I'm not even making this stuff up. I got it from these two packs. There was no other cards here. Literally. I can even proof. It was not good. My bad. But literally, I'm being honest here. That was a good pack. Okay. So not tomorrow, I can't say. But there'll be a next part coming up soon. And his video will come out soon, if I can. Really hoping, because I want to try and get, since I got a 3-card pack, a 10-card pack, why not try and get a 10? I'm gonna try that maybe, but for now, see you guys later. Hope you guys like this. Actually, I can't really say goodbye, but for this part, I will. Okay, see you in the next part. Alright guys, time for the final unboxing part of this video. So I know you guys are a little confused of what's happening, but I've been doing these videos on separate days. these clips on separate days. I mean, never mind. So pretty much that's why it's a little confusing how I don't know what I'm doing. It's pretty much, this will be the last pack I'm opening for this unboxing video. And yeah, so sorry for the thing. But I'll be doing probably another one later in the future. Probably. And it'll just be one video pretty much. It won't be separate and confusing, and you'll be able to see all of them and all that. So, fine. So, let's open up this final pack, which is Venusaur and Celebi. Remember, in the last pack I opened, I got this GX. So, let's see if I can get anything good. Okay. I think I have this one. Nidoran, Pancham, Voltorb, yeah. Clefairy. Yeah, something like that. Clefairy. Yeah, Clefairy. I can't say. Charmander. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. A shiny Gyarados. Pinsir. Steel Energy. Omate. With Tickle. Another Kangaskhan? That's 2 in a row I got. And, ooh, Helios. Nice. Switch this Pokemon on your bench. Electric Pokemon. Not bad. This pack was actually really good. If you want, you can get this code. Holy crap. I think I got a score on this pack. This pack was good. So I'll do a little run through. So I remember getting Nidoran and Kangaskhan. So pretty much I got 2 of this. I think I got 2 of the same ones. I don't have all the cards with me right now, but pretty much the one you need to admire is Gyarados. It does 100 damage and has 150 health. That's pretty good. That's a nice little friend. Well, and then we gotta see almost Tickle. It's Tickle. Gonna tickle you. I don't know what I'm doing now at this point. Probably think of ways to extend the clip a bit. It's only got 1 pack. So yeah, so we got Kangaskhan, Nidoran, Pancham, Voltorb, Clefairy, I'm sorry, Charmander, Gyarados, Pinsir, Steel Energy, Omate, and Helios. So we got more Pokemon than Trainers or Energy. Okay, I think I found where I end. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. If you want, I will do another unboxing of Pokemon cards. Because they're fun and I still play them. Why not? What the heck? So, hope you guys like this video. Comment, share, subscribe. You get the deal and all that. You know what to do. I'll see you guys next time.